Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to remove your account or Google account from your laptop. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, I've opened one of my browsers right over here. You can use any browser that you prefer. You can use Brave, Google. It's just the same process on all of it. So all you need to do is click on the settings of the browser and you can simply go ahead and head into the settings. Or the easiest method is just going to be going into google.com, just like that. And now you're going to be with your logged in account right over here. Click on your profile on the top left, and this is where you want to simply go ahead and click on manage your Google account. Finally, once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and head into security and sign in. And now go ahead and look for your laptop that you are logged in with and click on it. And then you can simply go ahead and choose it and click on sign up. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.